Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Jollof Rice. And this is the best jollof rice you can ever try. So please, if you want to see how I made this jollof rice, keep watching and I will show you from step to step how I made this delicious jollof rice. Alright, see you later. Have a wonderful day. Okay guys, this is gonna be a very quick recipe. I just thought about making quick jollof rice. I didn't plan cooking anything today, making any food today. But you see, this is almost 6 p.m. 5 minutes to 6 p.m. and I just wanted to eat Niger jollof rice. So I just feel like I should make this quick, and at the same time I thought I should record it to show you guys how I make my quick Niger jollof rice. So here I'm gonna just quickly go over the ingredient I'm gonna be using. This is my onions. So I have my onions chopped up here. I'm gonna be using this thyme, Benny, chicken flavor. These are Nigerian rice spice seasoning, adobo seasoning, nutmeg, Italian seasoning, curry powder, 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, my rice. I already washed them, they're all ready. And this is my tomatoes, and I have my, this was the meat, the stock, the chicken stock that I cooked before, so it's gonna save me a lot of time. I'm gonna be using that chicken stock. So right here I'm just gonna go through this recipe as fast as possible. So here is the pot. Turn the stove on and start cooking. Okay, now I have my cooking oil in this pot for a little bit a while now. So I'll put my chopped onions. Chopped onions in there, I'll go ahead and scoop in the tomatoes that I want from my saved tomatoes. So this saved me a lot of time. If you want to know how I do this, check the description button. You will see how I make this my lifesaver. So I scoop some in there. So you don't want to have your onions to start burning before you put your tomatoes. No. You can need one more scoop like that. So I'll go ahead and scoop in just a little bit of tomato paste, just for the rich color. Otherwise I don't need this. So I'm using like 1 scoop. Trying to make sure I got every single thing out of that container. You don't want to waste your money. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. I get so lazy that I don't want to buy. But I have one. I peel them, I freeze them, but I'm being so lazy to like grind them and put them there. I'm kind of using this one instead of my fresh one, so don't be as lazy as me. If you have the fresh one, please do use them. So I'm gonna let this cook for a few minutes. So this stew has been frying for like 8 to 10 minutes now. So you can see how it looks. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and add up all my spices. I'm gonna put them on the description below, so go and check them out. I'll put them there. So I'll just go ahead and pour everything and throw this away. But I'll be using this for my jollof rice. I'll let those spices cook for another . So what I did was I poured in. I thought the camera was on, but it wasn't on. So I just realized that. So what I did was to take out some of the sauce. Some of the sauce that I made, I took some of them out in a bowl, and then I went ahead and poured in my chicken stock that I already cooked before. So I kind of left some because you don't want your rice to be too overcooked. So I'm gonna be saving this stock in case I need more water. I will just add them. And also the sauce that I have here, if I need more, I'll add more to the rice. But right now you don't want any of those things to be too much. And this is the rice. I already washed this rice pretty good, so they are ready to go inside this pot right now. So you don't want to just dump them in the pot like that. You just want to spread them out gently. Sure you spread the rice evenly everywhere. I'm gonna use this my spatula, just like that, gently make sure that everything is combined. Add more of the sauce back into the pot. And then let this cook on a medium. You don't want to put it on a high, you don't want it to start burning, and you don't want to put it on a low to start cooking too slow. So once you have all your rice in that pot, then cover this. We'll be right back to show you how this will be looking when I open the pot again. So the water was kind of dried, so I'm adding the remaining chicken stock. So I added some bay leaf, so you can see I added a few bay leaf. You can see that. So a couple of them, about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I kind of slowly from the side push those water, oil inside instead of just turning them like as if you're turning soup. So you don't want to turn your jollof rice like soup. So I'm gonna let it cook, keep cooking. Cover this up. don't know if you noticed, I kind of switched pots. The other pot was really burning the rice, so I have to switch the pots. So this pot is a lot better than the other one. So while I'm waiting for the rice to be ready, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my work surface, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is my finished product for this jollof rice. So I already turned the light off, so I'm gonna dish this out. Look at that. If you have been to bazaar rice, like when they're doing bazaar, when they go there, the way the rice tastes, then you know what I'm talking about. And the rice looks so juicy, not so dry, but so tasty. They are all in one piece, so they are not like overcooked, like soaked in the water, and they are not like hard. So this is like the right texture you want your rice to be, I believe. So this is the final product, the final look of this. And this is the fish. This is the fish that I made a few days ago, the patty style whitening fish. If you want to see how I make this fish, go to the description section. I will put the link below. Believe me, you're gonna love this fish. It tastes so good, you know. So if you want to see how I made it, just go check it out. So that's the fish I'm gonna be using, and this is also the chicken that I made before. So if you want to see any of this recipe, just go, you will see the link below on the description section. So just click on either the fish or the chicken. You will watch them, how I made them from step to step. The rice, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try this rice that we made for today. It's gonna really hot. See how smoking hot that looks. Oh my goodness, guys, try this out. Don't just listen to me and believe me, try this out. This tastes so good. Oh my god, I've never been to any Nigeria party that their rice tastes this way. Try this, you will be the judge. Let me not be the judge, just go try it and be the judge. Oh my god, it might be sound as if I made it, and since I made it, it tastes so good to me. Just go try it and tell me how it turns out. Okay guys, it's already late, so as you can see, I told you what the time is when I started. So right now, so this cooking took me like about an hour and 10 minutes. I started cooking like 5 minutes to 6. So let me say I started at 6 o'clock. So this is like a few minutes after 7. So this took me like an hour and 10 minutes thereabout. So it didn't take me that long. This was a quick recipe. I didn't plan making any recipe, any jollof rice. I just feel like eating jollof rice, and then I started making the jollof rice. So try this out, and don't forget to thumbs up if you love this video. Go ahead and thumbs up, subscribe, click the notification button, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day, and bye bye.